Dear student, previous class I discussed about little bit difficult simple equation or solution. Already today class already I have written diary here, simple equation and its uses. MCC guide page number 236. Similar problem EF. Previous class I have done few math from A, B, C, D. Similar problem A, B, C, D. Now E and F is little bit hard. Today I discuss about that. And your class 6 textbook exercise 5. Mathematics number 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And ASW exercise 5 of 27 to 30. So firstly, it's a MCC guide page 236. Similar problem number E. Three into 4x plus 1 plus 9 is equal 5 into 3x plus 2 plus 4 2x minus 5. 3 into 4x plus 1 plus 9 is equal 5 multiply 3x plus 2 plus 4 2x minus 5. Same way, firstly we have to multiply by 3. 3 4s are 12x. 3 1s are 3. 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are 8x minus plus a minus 20. Just dear students, just multiply by 3, multiply by 5 and multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12x, 3 1s are 3 plus 9, 5 3s are 15x, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8x, 5 4s are 20. So 12x, 3 and 9 is going to add 3 and 9 is 12. 15x plus 8x, 23x and minus 10. Dear student, 15x and 8x. 23x minus 20 plus 10. Minus 10 is more. So minus is more, that's why I put minus sign in. We know during solution we have to keep variable in the left hand side. So 12x minus 23x. 23 is, if we exchange the sides, 23 plus here, it will be minus 23. And minus 10 and plus 12, it is going to minus 12. So minus 11x is equal minus 22. Plus 12x minus 23x. So minus 11x. And minus 10 and minus 12, it is going to minus 22. Minus together. Some student can think minus minus plus. No. I am not going to multiply. Just I am going to add. So minus minus we can withdraw. So 11x is equal to 22. 11x divided by 11, 22 divided by 11, 12. So, or x equal to 2. Dear student, in previous classes I have shown to you student, we have to 11x, we have to abolish 11. So 11 and x is together multiply each other. For that purpose, divided, we have to put side note here. Divided by 11 both sides. Divided both sides by 11. We have to give side note here. Now x is equal to 2. So the required solution is 2. It is little bit hard, just you have to try, please. Because that type of math is not belongs to class 6, it is belongs to class 7. So the similar problem we have to solve also class 7, same thing. And same way number F. 3 x minus 2 plus 7 into 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 1 minus 2x minus 59. 3x minus 2 plus 7, 2x minus 3 is equal 5 into 1 minus 2x minus 59. Same way, 3x minus 6 plus 7 2 ja 14x, 7 3 ja 21, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10x minus 59. Just we have to multiply by 3, multiply by 7, multiply by 5 and withdraw the bracket also. So 3x and 14x, add 3x and 14x, it is going to 17x. Minus 6 and minus 21, it is going to 27. Minus 6 and minus 21 together is 27. So minus 10x minus 59 and plus 5. So it is going to 53, minus 53. Dear student, plus 5 and minus 59. So minus 59 is more. So plus 5, it is going to 53. So 17x minus 10x we have to exchange is plus 10x minus 53 plus 27. So 17 and 10. 27x minus 50 minus 53 plus 27. 7 4. Six and no 26. So minus 26.
কোনো পার্থক্য নেই, এবারটা তো আনসার আসলো আপনার -1 আসলো। এখন আমারটাই ভুল হলো নাকি ভগবান জানে।
কোন দিকে যেন টিপ দিয়ে রাখে। আরে dear student, just I have done little bit mistake here for counting. 59 minus 59 and 5, it is going to 54. Before I have written 53, just 54, just correct, make it correct please. And 54 minus 27 is going to minus 27. Again it's the same way. 27 we have to divide it by 27 both sides. So x is equal to -1. The result is x is equal to -1. Before I have written 53 here, actually it is 54. It is mistake by myself. So now you have to make it correct, please. Write in 54. Okay. The required solution. We have to write the required solution -1. Please. Okay. It is little bit have to try yourself. If you feel any problem, before many time I have told you guys, please you have to come forward. You can call me. Just that type of math you have to do more and more time. And now I am going to solve this exercise number 5 of textbook class 6. Today before I have done number 12 to 23. So normal equation solve. Today I am going to solve by the forming equation. Dear student, be honest. Firstly we have to make the equation, then we have to solve it. This is one line, we have to do more. Tip 24 is here. Is exercise number 5, textbook of class 6. Solve by forming equation 24 to 35. Number 24. If 6 is added to twice of a number, the sum will be 14. What is the number? So dear student, we have to find out the number. So number is not available here. We have to find out number. So firstly we have to let 24. If 6 is added to twice of a number, let the number be x. So if 6 is added to twice of a number, so TWIC, twice of the number is equal to x. The number be x, let the number be x, so twice of the number. So number is x, twice of number is 2x. So ATQ, according to question. According to the question, what question is saying? If 6 is added to twice of a number, so the number be x, let, it was not in our question. So number be x. So twice of number, that means 2x. So the equation 2x plus 6 is equal 40. In previous math, 12 to 23, they have given an equation, like that equation we have solved. Now this one extra work we have to do. We have to make this equation, then solve. Easily we can find out the value from here is x. Value of x very easily from here. But thing is that firstly we have to form this equation. this is extra work. So let the number be x, twice of the number is equal to 2x. So according to question, 6 is added to twice of a number. So twice of number is 2x, 6 is added is equal to 14. Now we have to going to solve. So 2x plus 6, we have to establish same way, we have to establish plus 6. So we have to subtracting minus 6 both sides. We have to put the number. Subtracting both sides by 6. Some student can think minus, we have to put minus 6 here. No need. Already I have written here subtracting. So 2x is equal to 8. Now again we have to divide it. 2 and x together is multiplied there. We have to establish 2. So dividing 2, dividing both sides by 2. So 4. So x is equal to 4. X is not available in our math they have given. We have taken x, let the number be x. So the number is 4. X means 4. The number x, that means 4, is 4. The result is 4. Okay? Dear student, I know it's number 25. 5 is subtracted from a number. The difference will be 11. So what is the number? It is very easy for you guys, please. 25. Let the number be x, same way, let the number be x. Now we have to add TQ. So 5 is subtracted from a number. So number is x, 5 is subtracted from number, the difference will be 11. This is the equation. And same way, plus 5 is here. If you want to find out the value of x, we have to make it 0 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5. Adding 5. Now adding both sides by 5. Kata. So x is equal to 16. X, that means the number be 16. So the number is 16. X. So 23. 26 is very easy for you guys. Let what is the number whose 7 times will be equal to 21? So let the number be x. Seven times of number is equal to 7x. 7 times of the number. 7 times of the number is 7x. So So AT cube is 7x is equal to 21. X and 7 is together is multiplied, so we have to divide it 7 both sides. 7x 7, 21 7. Dividing both sides by 7. 3. So the x equal to 3. So the number is 3. And number 27. If 3 is added to 4 times of a number, let the number be x. Then the number be x. So 4 times 4 times of the number is equal to 4x. ATQ. If 3 is added to 4 times of a number, so 4 times of number is 4x. 3 we have to add, it is going to 23. Dear student, firstly we have to make the equation, and after making equation we have to solve. We have to find out the value of the variable x. So 4x plus 3 minus 3. Firstly we have to ablush plus 3. Then we have to ablush 4. Firstly, for ablushing plus 3, we have to subtracting 3 by both sides. Please, the student have to write here subtracting both sides by 3. Minus 3 we no need to write minus 3 because of subtracting, that means minus 4x. Again we have to ablush 4. X and 4 is together multiply each other. So we have to divide it by 4. So x by 4. So 5. We have to put side notice here, subtracting both sides by 4. So the result is x is equal to 5. The number is 5. We have to write the number is 5. The number is 5. 27 is same way. 28 also same way. 29 a little bit hard. 28 you can do, no problem. So 28. 29. 28 you have to try. If twice of a number is subtracted from 4 times of a number, the difference will be 24. Let the number be x. Twice of a number, twice of the number. I didn't write a number because the number is particular here. So twice of a number is equal to 2x, and 4 times of the number is equal to 4x. Now we have to make equation 80 4x minus 2x is equal to 2x of the number is 14. 24. So 2x equal to 24. 2 and x is multiplying each other, so we have to divide it by 2 both sides. Dividing both sides by 2, so 12, so x is equal to 12, so the number is 12. The number is 12. And 30 number, if the price of a pen is less than its specified price by 2 taka, the price would be 10. What is the price of the pen? Let the price of a pen be x taka, ATQ. The price of pen is x taka, so less by 2, that means minus 2 is equal to 10. Less, that means minus, we have to minus 2 taka, subtracted 2 taka, so x minus 2 and plus 2. Adding both sides by 2 taka. Sorry, adding both sides by 2. So x equal to 12. The price of a pen is 12 taka. This is result. It was little bit easy lesson for you guys, and already I have given HW also, especially Tamim from English version called me and he asked me there is mistake in GK book. That means I try to more time, but you didn't receive my call. The thing is that in GK book, in Bengali book, in mathematics book from NCC guide, there is little bit mistake by computer. And the things is important for the cadet college admission. When teacher is inside class, teacher will teach that type of lesson, teacher will make it correct. Number 1. And number 2, there is few upgrade information like how many city corporation in Bangladesh, how many division in Bangladesh, what is the name of the smallest union council in Bangladesh, what is the number of upazila in Bangladesh. This is the upgrade information. Every year increasing city corporation, every year increasing division, every year increasing union parishad, every year increasing the upazila parishad. So that type of things you should not write. You should write the things is upgrade information, and you should write, you should read from and if you need to any help, you can call for the general knowledge and Bengali to Shir sir. He will make it correct and he will inform you, he will assist you. Please. Okay, thank you.